G'day guys, welcome to Cap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Cap Industries fire extinguisher mount into a Holden HQ. But this one also fits a few other vehicles, so this one might be on another link. Today we're going to explain the reasons why you would even want to have a fire extinguisher installed in your car. These little ones, the whole idea behind our system is that they're mounted right in front of the seat. So they're really easy to grab really quickly. So what might start off as a really small fire, if you get to it quick enough, you'll be able to save your whole vehicle from complete loss, which would suck. Imagine losing this beautiful car to a small fire that just kept on growing because you couldn't find a fire extinguisher. So let's go and show you how we install it. The tools required to install a fire extinguisher mount is just a 13mm socket or spanner. Sometimes you may need an Allen key because some of the seat bolts are Allen head. This one here is a 13mm socket. And then you'll just need a couple of 8mm spanners for the M5 nuts and bolts that come with the bracket. You use those to install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. And in this one, we're using single latch fire extinguisher. Always use a metal latched extinguisher. Must be used with a metal one, not a plastic one. Leave the plastic one in the kitchen. Start by loosening off the front seat bolts, the outer ones, so that it's open-ended. So you don't need to completely remove the bolt. Just loosen it off about 5mm. What's good about this car is this guy's actually got a fire extinguisher, but look at this. It's just sat there rolling around. So imagine you're going around some corners, this thing goes off and then it triggers the handles and shoots powder at you while you're driving. That would suck. Next thing we do is we'll install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket using those M5 nuts and bolts. Once those are all tightened up, then what you need to do is simply lift up the little washer underneath the nut and slide the bracket underneath it. Like that, on both sides. Just going to use a flathead screwdriver to lift the washer up. There it goes, under. Alright, then they're both in. Then snug them all the way back and then tighten them back down. On both sides. Okay, so after you've now tightened up your two bolts, simply install the extinguisher into its cage. Put the little safety pin in. Job done. Well, thanks so much for watching our little video on how to install a Cap Industries fire extinguisher mount into this beautiful HQ Monaro. Now, as you can see, it's bolted in there. It looks really good. It's very sturdy. It's not coming out. If something terrible happens and you need to grab the extinguisher quickly, it's very easy to do. Pull that little pin, undo the latch, it pops open, grab it by the handles, and now go and attack that fire. Hopefully you never ever need to use one, but again, it's better to have one and not need it than need it and not have it. So if you'd like to grab one of these fire extinguisher mounts, please grab it from the link below. Thanks.